Hello Internet, welcome back. My name is Manuel and I'm solving all the exercise from LeetCode, and you can write along and see me do it and try to solve it with me. I will try to share my logic and my way of doing it. Okay. So number of steps to reduce a number to 0. Given a non-negative number, integer number, return a number of steps to reduce it to 0. If the current number is even, you have to divide by 2, otherwise you have to subtract 1 from it. This is 14, and I have 6. That looks simple enough. I mean, the way of doing this is just dividing by 2. Eight. It's 4. No. Okay, yeah. Okay. So how to approach this problem? I could just follow the steps and count them. Yeah, this is the thing. I can just follow the step and count how long it takes me to get to 0. Or just write like a mathematical formula to do this. I'm sure there is like a very simple formula. Like one line, just something super simple. And I'm not sure how to get to that in this moment. That's the thing I'm thinking. So I'm just going to follow this step by step. 14 divide by 2, then subtract 1, divide by 2, subtract 1, divide by 2, subtract 1, divide by 2. And at the end, see I get 0, I just divide. So yeah, let's see if there is some constraints. The number can be really big. This can get really long. Okay, now I will try my way, the way they are proposing here, and then in discussions we're going to look for that mathematical formula. So I'm going to do a loop through e. Let e equals to 0 to the length of this number. I mean, can be to whatever, just a high number. I'm just using this as a reference. E less than num. Just let's divide it by 2. It's not too big, and it really doesn't matter. E plus plus, because I'm not going to. Okay, it's not. Yeah, this is the JavaScript style. The thing I'm doing here is if. Okay, I'm going to have a new number. Num. Okay, aux num const aux num is equals to num. This is just to put here, really. Aux num. And I'm going to be modifying num. So num, if num is divided by 2 equals to 0, that means it's pair, and I'm going to num divided equals 2. This means I'm dividing the num by 2 and save it in the same variable. I'm pretty sure JavaScript accepts this format. Not completely, but pretty sure. Else, and see, this is the number is not pair. I will just rest one. Less one. No, just less. And that's all. At the end, when num, I have to have a check here. If here, I have to have another check. If num is equal to 0, and return num. And that's all. You know what? I'm going to do a break here. Hopefully JavaScript sets break. I'm going to return outside. It's just something I like, not returning inside a loop, because then I have to have something here, like a style thing. Return num. I'm going to run this code and see this works. And that's a no, because I'm not closing I'm not closing this. Yeah. Else. What is the problem with else? It's just an else. Okay, so I open this. Hold. I didn't close like anything. Serious? No, wait. This is good. This is here. This is here. If this is. So this is the 4. No, why not? Kind of lost. This is not the 4. Yeah, this is. What? Okay. This is the if. Yes. This is the thing I'm missing here, right here. Run. And I got the wrong answer. Input 14, expected 6. So I never got to 0. Okay. So num is never going to 0, which is weird to me because it has to happen somewhere. See, num divided by 2. Let's try to change this just because. Num. Yeah. He's using. I'm sorry to you. This was a mic fall. I'm going from 0 to 14, and this is my max number here. So that's the thing I'm getting. But I'm not getting this break. So maybe break doesn't work. Just putting this return here will work probably. Let's run it and see. I know what is the problem. That's the dumbest problem of my life. Num is the number, is 0. It's 14. So I'm not playing with it. Okay, I'm not changing num. Actually, I want to return is e. That's the thing I want to return. But that's even weirder because, see, I was returning num. I choose return 0, not e. And not 14. Yeah. Okay, so this isn't using the scope of the missing that thing. I don't have it. Return E. Let's return, I don't know, 5. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm getting it. This 5. So I say no, it should be 0. I think that was seeing wrong. Yes. Okay, 5. What? I'm getting a 5. So I'm just putting this up. I really don't need this. Wait, undefined, of course. Not here, inside the for loop. And hopefully I don't have a ident thing. I would really like to have like a return here, because I think return 0, because that's a failure. Yeah, let's go to submit this. And I got a wrong answer. Yay. Output 0, input 3. Okay. Let's see. I'm getting a 3 here. Then it's not divisible by 2. So I'm gets 2. E got plus plus. I know. Just such a simple errors. Let's leave this behind here. Okay, so the reason of the problem is I'm getting out of the loops just right after this condition. And then I'm never checking equals. So this is just e plus 1. And that's all. Let's run this. That should work. And submit. And that's good. Not the fastest solution in the history of the world, but it's a solution. Now let's try to check if someone has the mathematical formula for this. One-liner solution everywhere. Let's try it. Yes. So this guy is doing exactly the same thing I did, but just going mad with these operators, like functions, like really contract everything into one line. But it's the same, basically. He do exactly the same in just one line. I mean, that's cool. It's really cool. I don't know if I like it though. Like, I'm not going to use this in my work or even in my code, because I don't know, it looks easier to me to read the thing I'm writing. This thing. Maybe this is too long. That's actually really nice. I'm liking this thing. Let's try another one. On end solution. Yeah. The same. There has to be like a really good mathematical formula. There has to be. Why nobody's using? Oh, recursion. That's a nice way to do it. Good for this guy. Good for him, really. Recursion, the fastest recursion, 95, 98%. Okay, there is a lot to learn. Thank you for staying along and see you next time.